Hello everyone, hope all of you are doing good. So we are back again with another tutorial. So today we will learn how to set up Google Webmasters for your blog or website. Google Webmaster, or we can say Google Search Console, is a free tool which is provided by Google, and it helps you to analyze the indexing status of your blog or website. It also allows you to know if there are any kind of errors which are existing on your blog or website. So let us just learn how to set up Google Webmaster for your blog. Just type Google Webmasters. You can use your Gmail account, your existing Gmail account, for signing up on Google Webmasters. I'm already having different websites, different properties, so we will go to the settings area. Okay, just click on add property. Now it will ask two options, domain or URL prefix. So we will choose the second one, the URL prefix option. We will enter the URL of just enter the exact URL of your blog for which you want to set up Google Webmaster. So this is the URL of the website for which I am setting this Webmaster account. Okay, now when you have entered the URL, it will show you different options. You can choose one of the options to verify your ownership. To verify the ownership of the website for which you are setting up the Webmaster account, Webmaster property. So I prefer the second one. It is bit easy to set up. In the second method, the HTML tag method, you just need to add this particular meta tag on the in the head section of your website's home page. Just copy it from here. My website is on WordPress, so I will just log in into my website. I will suggest you to use a plugin named as Insert Headers and Footers. It makes it easy to customize or make any kind of modification to your website. So I have logged into my WordPress blog. This is the dashboard of the website. So I need to add this code in the head section of this theme. So instead of directly adding it to the theme, I prefer a plugin named as Insert Headers and Footers. Let us just install it. So we will go to the plugin area, click on add me. This is a very useful plugin which is developed by WP Beginner. Let us just install it. Click on install now. After installing, click on activate. So if you are not having good programming skills, we advise you to use this particular plugin. And many a times it happens that if you add the code at the wrong place, it can cause issues in your website. So this plugin has been installed. We will go to the settings area. Go to the settings section and click on insert headers and footer. So remember the code we copied from Google Webmaster. It has already been copied, so just press Ctrl V or just paste it. After pasting it, click on save. Okay, so it has been added in the head section. Now we will return back to Google Webmaster. Okay, so we have already added it, and we need to verify it that we have added that particular code on our website. Click on verify button. Okay, your property has been verified. Now click on go to property. So this is the way you can set up Google Webmaster for your blog or website. After that, you need to add sitemap. So now you can see we have already verified our property. So the next thing is adding a sitemap for your website or blog, so that you can see how many pages, what all pages have been indexed by Google search bots. So let us learn how to add a sitemap for your blog. Just click on sitemaps. Okay, so we will go back to our website. For sitemaps, we will use a tool, Yoast SEO. Yoast SEO has already been installed. It is basically a SEO plugin. So we will go to general section. Now click on features. Now you can see XML sitemaps. Click on this question mark icon. After that, click on this link, see the XML sitemap. As you can see, the XML sitemap for your website has been created. So you just need to copy this URL, copy it, and then return back to Google Search Console. Add this particular URL. You don't need to add the URL of your website again. It has already been added over here. Just add sitemap_index.html and click on submit. Okay, so the sitemap has been added and Google will start processing it, and after some time, after 24 hours, you will be able to see how the indexing of your page is going on. So that's all for now. Hope you have understood how to set up Google Webmaster for your blog. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to eGyan.